everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys the Fawn Design Mini in the shade Oatmeal. This is their new spring color, and they do have another shade for spring. That one is Dusty Blue. I don't have that one. Really tempted to get it, but I just wanted to show you guys the Oatmeal today. I just got back into town. I went to Tokyo, and now that I'm back, I'm super excited to finally get to wear this bag. And I thought we could pack it up together because honestly, this is gonna be my first time trying to fill her up. I got her in the mail and then left for Tokyo, so didn't get a chance to play with this one yet. It's still wrapped up new. Super excited about it. It does have a scent, like everybody seems to mention, it does have a scent, but I don't think it's as strong as when I first got it. But this one is so cute, so pretty, definitely true creamy white. I enjoy that a lot too, really pretty. So let's pack her up. Okay, still got the straps wrapped up, really brand new. I am familiar with the minis. I have like a black, a blush, and a plum. I have a few of these, so I'm pretty familiar with this one. And if you guys are new to getting a mini, I really recommend when you first get it, because when you first get it, it's tiny. You're like, how am I gonna pack this up? Is it gonna fit anything? I really recommend that you pull out the entire, I recommend that you pull out the entire lining. Just pull it out. You know what, I'll just show you guys. So you pull it out like this. I do this to all of the minis that I get. As soon as I get it, I pull it out. Kind of just shove my finger in there, my hand in there. Try to stretch out the pockets, stretch them out. There's the back side. Once you do that, put it back in. So once you have it back inside, push back inside, you know, you'll notice you'll have a little bit more room. And also, once you start using it, wearing it in, it definitely stretches out, it becomes more roomy for sure. So definitely don't give up on this bag. It's a really great bag. It will stretch out. Okay, so I'll start with the outside. I always, with these bags, whether it's the mini or the full, pack from the outside in. And that way, because once you pack on the inside, then everything on the outside becomes too tight. So get what you want on the outside and then start packing in. So this little one in here, always just put my lippies. Those are my two go-to shades and whatever shade I'm wearing for the day. So like this red, the red will also go in there later. In this pocket, I always just put my hand sanitizer, tissues. I'm so very excited to take this one out. Happy to be back home and get to wear this pretty bag. It's definitely warm. Super excited for spring. Okay, and I think that's it for the outside. I think I'm gonna put extra baggies on the outside. That's how I usually pack it. Baggie there, 2 baggies. Okay. And then, what do I want to put in there today? Should we try this one? Sure. This one is a small clear travel case by Bumpkins. It's the Cinderella print. It's so sweet. I like that. Just gonna slide it in just there. Like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the largest set from Bumpkins with my diaper needs. 2 diapers, disposable changing pad, wipes, baggies. I'm gonna slide it in just like this, back there. And then they're medium size with snacks in it. Like that. So I have 3 of their pouches in there. Fits okay. It works really fine. Okay, and then my wallet. back here. Okay, I would like to attempt to get my water bottle in here. So I'm gonna try to do that. This is my daughter's sippy right here. We're gonna try to squeeze that in. I'm actually gonna slip it into, I don't think you guys can see it, but there are side pockets in the Fawn Design Mini, 2 side pockets. I'm actually gonna squeeze it in there, wiggle it down into that side pocket. And there it is. So I have 3 pouches, my wallet, and sippy cup. Okay, and that is it. That's how I have it packed. Super easy. This bag is just a really great day trip. I mean, I'm taking my daughter to the dentist tomorrow, and that's how I have it packed. Really easy, super easy. Zipper, zipper, done. You guys, this color is so cute. Again, I just got back into town, and I'm now just getting a chance to play with it, and it's adorable. I love it. Okay, and that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by and packing her up with me. And I wanted to mention that I do have a tote savvy coming in the mail, so I'm excited to see how the tote savvy goes with the mini and the full size. And I do know that Fawn Design has a collaboration with Tote Savvy and have their own insert, and I'm considering getting that one. Let me know what you guys think, if I should try out the new collaboration Tote Savvy, if you guys want to see what that's like. Let me know. I'm really interested, but haven't pulled the trigger yet. So that's all, you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.